Hello Internet, ako po si Manny Viloria ng trulyrichpinoy.com, and today we're going to talk about the stock market switch strategy. Earlier this year, yung Truly Rich Club ay nag-issue ng isang email announcement recommending that we switch stocks from a certain stock to another stock. That means yung first stock, I'm sorry I can't mention it no, kasi that information is available only to the only to the paid members of the TRC. Yung first stock, ibebenta lahat yon even at a loss. So at that time, I was thinking, ibebenta ko ba talaga to? Kasi magkakaloss ako ng mga 2,500 pesos. And then, whatever money you receive from the sale of that stock, gagamitin para bumili ng, uubusin natin yon to buy shares of another stock. So we will switch from one stock to another. The analogy given there was an elevator. You have two elevators, elevator 1 and elevator 2. By shifting to elevator 2, you can go up faster. So sabi ko, sige na nga. Anyway, yung pinag-usapan dito ay 2,500. Sige. So what did we do at that time? We sold everything, all the shares of stock in that first stock. We had a loss of 2,500, pero yung pera na pumasok, ginamit natin para bumili ng second stock. And after around 4 or 5 months, we were told na we could sell na some of our shares in that second stock. No? At sa awa ng Diyos, we were able to sell at with a gain of more than 2,500. So in other words, yung initial loss na 2,500, nabawi po natin yon, tapos may extra profit pa. So that was a happy story. And at that time, I figured out, yeah, it makes sense. Itong si unang stock is in a certain industry, at itong pangalawang stock is in a different industry. So siguro naman, kapag bagsak yung, or mabagal yung isang industry, it's highly possible na in another industry, mas maganda at mas mabilis yung growth prospects nun. Now, recently, last December 24, oh, by the way, hi Sophia, thank you for watching this video. Hi Alan and April, thank you for being here. Now, last December 24, naglabas ng email announcement yung Truly Rich Club. Again, saying na, let's do the switch strategy. Please sell all of your shares in, let's just call it stock A, even at a loss. And then use the money that comes in to buy shares in stock B. Now at that time, nung tinignan ko sa Call Financial, naku, if I sell all of my shares in stock A, my loss will be around 8,000 pesos. Tapos, tinignan ko dun sa column sa trade portfolio. How much money ba will I get if I sell all of my shares in stock A? So much, no? And then tinignan ko, magkano ba yung price ng stock yung pangalawang stock? Kung saan tayo mag-shift? Based on this, I can buy 200 shares pala. Okay, so tinignan ko yung loss na yun. No? There's a loss of 8,000. I divided the 8,000 by 200 shares. Lumalabas 40. In other words, dapat in the future, when I sell those 200 shares, dapat yung stock price niya should be at least 40 pesos para man lang mabawi ko yung initial loss na 8,000. And given the price of that second stock, nung in-add ko yung 40, ang tanong, how likely is it na itong second stock na ito, yung price niya ay tataas ng at least 40 pesos. So nag-research tayo, tinignan natin yung sinasabi ng Truly Rich Club, tinignan din po natin yung sinasabi ng mga ibang paid stock market information brokers at pati mga free stock market brokers. And based on their different opinions, malamang mahihit natin yung higher price by 40 pesos. Kasi sige, it's a go. I'm willing to switch. I'm willing to suffer the temporary loss of 8,000 now. Anyway, in the future, mababawi ko yun. So what did I do? I tried to sell stock A at a certain price. At alam po natin na based on the things that we're reading, na a lot of people will be selling stock A. Kasi nga, pinapaswitch, tapos nun, those traders are being told, you have to sell this stock A kasi nga hindi masyado favorable sa ngayon. Let's make a distinction na there are two types of people sa stock market. Yung traders at yung investors. Yung mga traders, pang short term po yun. Meaning they buy a stock now and then after a few days or even a few weeks, they sell it again. Para bang pinapaikot nila ng mabilis. Yun ang trader. Whereas yung long-term stock market investor, they buy a stock now kasi the price is below or lower than a certain buy below price, and they're willing to wait for months or even years before it's time to sell it kasi baka umabot na sa isang recommended target selling price. Yun yung investor. So, nung nakita ko na yung mga traders ay magbebenta ng stock A, sabi ko, sigurado, in the short term, bababa yung stock price ng stock A. And that's exactly what happened. No? The TRC announcement came on December 24, December 24, 25, 26, mga holidays po yun, or weekend. Wala pong stock market. So the earliest time it's going to open will be on December 27. Kaya on December 27, sabi ko, sige nga, I want to sell stock A, all of my shares, at this price. Kasi yun ang price na magkakaroon ako ng loss ng mga 8,000 pesos. Tapos nung tinignan ko yung stock B, sige, I have to sell it, I have to buy at this price. Hindi pwede masyadong mahal kasi sinabi nga ng TRC na please buy stock B at a price not higher than this buy below price. Meaning kapag yung presyo mas mababa dito sa buy below price, yun ang bibilin mo. So yun yung binabantayan ko. So I placed an order, I gave a sell order for stock A. Ang kaso, hindi nabenta ni Call Financial yung stock A ko. Kasi siguro by 9:35, bumabagsak na talaga yung presyo ni stock A. Kasi nga ang dami nagbebenta nun. Okay? Kung sabi ko, if I cannot sell stock A at this price, what if I bring it down? Sige na nga, I'm willing to sell my stock A at a lower price. Titisin ko na lang ba yung mas malaking loss, more than 8,000? So, tinignan ko muna yung stock B. Si stock B, maraming bumibili kasi nga, a lot of people are switching. Tapos, yung price niya, medyo mahal na. Kaya sabi ko, if I cannot buy stock B, ba't ko pa ibebenta si stock A? Kahit matanggap mo yung pera yun, kung hindi naman ako willing na bilhin si stock B, sayang. Ngayon sinabi sa Truly Rich Club, if ever si stock B ay masyadong mahal, you just wait for it to become affordable again. Pero ako, just like you, we have the power to choose. So sabi ko, no, I'm going to sell stock A only if I can buy stock B on the same day. Ayoko yung nakatengal yung pera na, eto nga, ang laki-laki ng pera, hindi mo naman pwedeng i-invest sa ibang stock doon sa stock B, tapos nalugi ka pa. Ayoko na ganun. So yung conditions ko, but these are my personal conditions. Dapat, yung stock A, mabebenta ko at yung stock B, mabibili ko on the same day. So nung nakita ko na medyo masyado na mahal yung stock B, tapos yung stock A price na masyado nang bumabagsak, hindi ko na mabebenta yung shares ko dun sa presyo na gusto ko. Kinancel ko na lang yung sell order. So I told Call Financial online, wala, cancel that order. So in short, on December 27, hindi ko nabenta si stock A, hindi ko syempre nabili si stock B, hindi ako nakapag-switch. So ang tanong, is it the end of the world? And the answer is no. Kasi si stock A naman is a good stock. In fact, aminado nga si Bo Sanchez, based on their announcement, it's a good stock. You just have to wait longer for it to perform or to reach the target selling price that we hope for. Again, hindi po ito guarantee. There's nothing guaranteed in the stock market. There is risk. You can make money, you can also lose money. So do not invest in the stock market. Money that you will use for tuition, wag po. So sinabi ko, sige, I'll just wait na lang for stock A to improve. I will not get stressed over the fact na hindi ako nakapag-switch nung December 27. Okay lang po yun. Now, on the downside, since ina-assume ni TRC, ni Truly Rich Club, na ibebenta mo, or isi-switch mo nga ina-assume ni TRC na ibebenta mo ang lahat ng shares mo sa stock A at bibili ka ng stock B, aalisin na nila eventually, si stock A dun sa kanilang list of recommended stocks. Kasi while they still recommend it, is pinapa-switch ka na nga That's exactly what happened earlier this year when they said in January, okay, switch from this stock to this stock. After a few weeks, nawala na yung unang stock na yun dun sa table. Kasi nga, dapat nga nabenta mo na. So ngayon, I can foresee na maybe in a week or two, yung stock A na hindi ko nabenta, nasa akin pa, pero wala na dun sa table ni Truly Rich Club. So, anong gagawin ko? It's okay kasi nung minomonitor po natin yung blogs ng ibang stock market bloggers, andun pa naman eh. At ang recommendation pa nga up to now is to buy that stock A. Kasi nga, yung presyo niya is still lower than the buy below price. Kaya hindi po tayo worried na hindi tayo strictly sumunod dun sa switch strategy ni Truly Rich Club. I'll just monitor the free stock market blogs and also another paid stock market blog na according to them naman, okay naman na bilhin si stock A na yon. And of course, through Facebook Live video, I'll be updating you kung kailan ko na ibebenta yung stock A na yan. Kaya in the future, when I say, si December 24 stock A na hindi ko na switch to stock B, ibebenta ko na. Eh di malalaman mo rin kasi nakatutok ka dito. So, by the way, for those who just tuned in now, thank you for watching. I'm Manny Viloria of trulyrichpinoy.com. Please like this fan page. And so you'll be updated no, kapag meron akong future video talking about itong December 24, 2016 stock A to stock B switch. You will know kasi mawawala na yung stock na yun dun sa table ni TRC. Okay, so the lesson learned here is do not base your information on just one source. Look at as many sources as you can. Personally, I have two paid subscriptions, isa kay TRC, isa kay Pinoy Investor Guide, and I'm monitoring the free blog of si Ate Fel. Nandun naman kanyang list of recommended stocks. Are they gods? Can they see the future? No, they cannot. So I just balance whatever I read, and then you win some, you lose some. Okay? So the lesson learned here is do not panic. If you're like me, adopt this stress-free, long-term stock market investing approach. Read, talk to people, learn from them. Do not expect that you will win all the time in the stock market. Like right now, the stock prices are down, no? If you look inside your Call Financial stock portfolio table, you will see maybe a lot of red numbers. For some of you, it might be all red. That is okay kasi this is a temporary thing. Cycle, weather lang po yan. I recommend that you take a screenshot of your stock portfolio in Call Financial and copy-paste it into your Excel spreadsheet. And months from now, when things turn around, well, I don't know if it's going to be months from now or a year from now, but if you take a screenshot and maintain an electronic diary in your Excel spreadsheet, you can look back to today and say, sus, kinabahan pa ako. Nakakatawa naman ako. Kasi that has happened to me. No? I've seen in the past case na bakit pa na red numbers itong stock portfolio ko? Pero sige, anyway, it's a good company and the price is lower than the buy below price and it's the time of the month again kung kailan ko bibili ng stocks. Sige, bili lang kahit red ng red. Kahit pababa. Kasi ang ibig mong sabihin nun, pamura ng pamura yung cost ng stocks na binibili natin. So yung average cost niya, bumababa. So in the future, when the conditions are more favorable, when you sell, mas okay yung kita. Ganun po yun. And by keeping a diary, you will remember what happened before. Like in my diary, sinulat ko doon na I tried to switch from stock, sorry, I can't mention it, to stock so-and-so, but the price of the second stock went up too high kasi madami bebenta and the first price went too low. Tapos hindi sinabi agad ni TRC kung do not sell below a certain price. Pero recently they adjusted and sent out a new announcement saying do not sell below this certain price. Kaya you'll get a feel of what is too low. Kasi you will learn, no? So keep on reading. And yung tanong ni Lito, hi Lito, thank you for asking, how often ba do we buy stocks? Ako personally, I buy stocks once a month. We have a fixed monthly budget. Kunwari, ang gusto mong bilhin per month is 2,500 pesos worth of stocks or 5,000. It's up to you. I gave in an earlier video, how to compute magkano ba talaga ang i-invest natin sa stock market per month based sa ating kita per month, no? Siguro, a quick rule of thumb would be 10%. So if you're earning 50,000 pesos a month, 5,000. Ganun lang kasimple. Pero there is a more refined way of computing it based on your age, based on your investing personality. So ako, let's say 5,000. Every month, bibili ako ng stocks worth at least 5,000. My personal preference is yung 5,000, bibili ko yun in one day. Pero kung gusto mong mag 1,000 today and then another 1,000 next week, if you want to spread it across 4 weeks in a month, that's perfectly fine. Basta within that month, yung budget mo for the stock market ay nasusunod mo. Okay lang yun. You want to just buy everything in the 4th week, that's perfectly fine. If you do it in the 1st month and then you find out later in the 4th week na, sayang, bumaba na yung presyo, sana pala nung 4th month. Para hindi ka mag-stress at hindi ka manghinayang, huwag mong tingnan yun ng every week. That's my suggestion. Like me, kung bibili ako ng every 2nd week of the month, sa 2nd week of the month lang ako tumitingin para hindi ko na nararamdaman yung sayang, sana pala, nag-3rd week ako. Swerte yan din lang yan. Pero for as long as you buy at a price lower than the buy below price, more or less, there's a better chance that mahihit mo yung at least 12% return with the help of the stock market. Okay, so if you have questions, feel free to leave your comments and I'll get back to you. I'll answer your comments online sa Facebook. You can PM me. Please do share this video with your friends na nag-isip din, paano ba talaga mag-invest sa stock market? And please like the page, the fan page, para mas maraming tayo matutulungan with the help of all of these free